Today I'll show you how to go from logging in to sharing the awesome work you can create on Adobe Spark. First thing to do is to go to spark.adobe.com and click Sign In. When you are given this menu, do not sign in with Google. Instead, log in with a school account. Follow the red arrow, folks. Enter your school email and then click Continue. If you're asked if you're using a personal or school account, select the second one, company or school account. The first time you go into Adobe Spark, it will probably give you a mini tutorial. Go ahead and take it. It'll be very useful. But once you get to the dashboard, choose what you want to make. One of the awesome things about Adobe Spark is the fact that it has great templates. So you can choose to follow a story template or to start from scratch. The menu on the upper right is where you will find all the ways that you can modify your slideshow. You can change the layout, you can change the theme and fonts and colors. You can also resize the shape of it, and most importantly, adjust the music. Always make sure to check if the music is on and adjust the volume so it doesn't drown out your voice. Make sure to pick music that matches your theme. Otherwise, you'll be having a weird thing where you'll have scary music playing over inspiring words. You don't want that. As you add slides, remember you have a choice in layout. Each slide lets you embed video, photos, text, or icons. If you choose to embed video or photos, you'll be allowed to upload them from your device or use some other free resources. You can add narration to any slide, including video, but you must adjust the sound, otherwise you'll be talking over yourself. Also, make sure that the video is not being drowned out by your music. So make sure to adjust that and always keep your narration short. Remember that you can always reorder your slides, and any narration you've added to the slide will move with it. Once you're fully done, you've previewed, you've listened to it, you can then share it. You can either publish it on the web and you will have a URL to share with your teacher, or you can send it to your Google Drive and share it from there. I can't wait to see what you make.